Jamaicans are being urged by at least one local dealer to check if their vehicle's airbag is defective. The Ministry of Transport made the call recently, but as it turns out, local dealers have already started replacing the defective airbags. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that primetime news follow-up.
Driving a vehicle, one may find comfort in the fact that it's equipped with safety features like seatbelts and airbags. But if you're driving a Toyota, Honda, Nissan, BMW, or any of the other 11 models listed between years 2001 to 2016, chances are your airbags are defective.
If you operate a motor vehicle with a Takata airbag inflator inside of it, you need to go to your dealer, the dealer for that motor vehicle, and get that airbag inflator replaced immediately.
That announcement from the director of the Road Safety Unit Canute here on Saturday. But the Japanese manufacturer's defect has been hot topic since 2015, forcing Takata Industries to recall some 34 million airbags in the US. The defective airbags have been linked to at least 5 deaths in the United States, while over 30 persons have been injured. Here in Jamaica,
there have been quite a number of crashes where persons in Jamaica got their face cut up because of defective airbag inflator.
So, how exactly does the defect affect drivers and passengers? The airbag contains a canister filled with a chemical propellant. In an accident, the propellant explodes with excessive force, rupturing the metal canister, sending shrapnel out. Already, companies like Toyota and Honda have been moving to correct the issue here in Jamaica. ATL Automotive represents Honda in Jamaica. Group marketing manager at the entity, Christina Taylor-Thwaites, says they've been working closely with the Ministry of Transport.
We pulled the list of affected vehicles for us, and we've tried every means of communication. We texted them, we called them, emailed them, sent mailers to their house. We even had persons visit as well to let them know that their vehicle is affected, and they could easily book their free Takata, their free airbag replacement, which only takes 30 minutes.
Owners may be wondering what to do if their vehicle was not purchased through ATL.
We ultimately care for the safety of our customers. So whether you drive a Honda bought from ATL or not, we're going to take care of you. So persons can book in their free 30-minute replacement, wait comfortably, and then drive away with a peace of mind knowing that their vehicle is safe.
We then moved to the garage where we observed firsthand a Takata airbag being replaced. Replacing the over 30,000 defective airbags on Hondas here in Jamaica may take years. But the marketing manager argues that the safety of its owners is priority.
If you drive a Honda, if you know someone who drives a Honda, you could save their life by telling them about this airbag replacement.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.